students, this is follows standard 7. In previous class we have discussed some questions answer. Now we will discuss some other question answer. First answer the following question. Open page number 13. Okay, इधर एक हेडिंग दिया गया है और उसके रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन दिया है, हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. देखो हेडिंग इज who chooseth me shall gain what many men desires, and that's related questions are first, where was this inscribed? Our answer is this was inscribed on the casket made of gold. Then our another question is name the suitors who choose this casket, what did they find out? This casket, he found a scroll with a scroll instead into the empty sockets of the eye. Then third, why did the suitors reject the silver and the lead caskets? Our answer is he rejected them as he said that neither brass lead nor silver could contain Portia's picture. The fourth question, why did you think he chose this casket? This answer, the friends of Marco must have been convinced by what he read on the casket. Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. He must have concluded that since many men desired Portia, the golden casket must be the one containing Portia's portrait. Portrait means picture. Okay. Look at our another heading. Another heading is who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. Thus related questions are given below. Look at first question is where was this inscribed? Where was this inscribed? Question's answer is this was inscribed on the silver casket. Our another question, name the suitors who choose the message. And this answer is the Prince of Oregon choose this message. And third question is what did they find inside? How did he react? He found a false head inside the silver casket. He wondered if he deserved more than a fool's head. Okay. Then final question is why did he choose the casket? और क्यों चूज किए थे? फर्स्ट देखो, the answer is the Prince of Oregon was convinced by what he read on the casket. Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. He was a haughty man and believed that he deserved Portia, and thus conclude that the silver casket must contain her portraits. Then our another question, number C, heading देखो बच्चों, who chooses me most give and hazard all he had. And that's related questions are who chose the casket which had this inscribed on it. Who chose the casket which had this inscribed on it? Bassanio chose the casket which had this inscribed on it. Second question, why did he not choose the gold and the silver casket? Why did he not choose the gold and the silver casket? Bassanio did not choose the gold and silver caskets as he found the golden caskets gaudy and the silver casket shiny. Then third question, why do you think he chose this casket? And so once repeat again, why did you think he chose this casket? Bassanio believed that outward appearance desired and need to be despised, therefore he chose the dull lead casket instead of the golden and silver ones. Then our last and final question is what did he find inside it? How did he react? Once repeat, what did he find inside it? How did he react? Bassanio found Portia's portrait inside the lead casket. He could not believe his good fortune and turned the Portia's to confirm if it was true that she was his. Okay, समझ में आ गया क्वेश्चन का आंसर? थैंक यू.